Frank, make an intro.
We're on the Captain's Lady Chartered in Plum Island, and hopefully we can catch some big ones today.
All right, we're here with Frankie. He is one of our subscribers. Shout out to Frankie. Wave. Frankie.
Wave to all the fans.
I will.
You're gonna bring one in?
It's either I'm gonna bring in the fish or my bait. I don't know. Let's see what happens. That looks bigger than bait.
Fish.
Oh, he's diving. He's biting me. Oh my goodness. Woo! Here we go, Walker.
Bring it in the boat.
Oh, is that a keeper?
I doubt it.
I don't think so.
It never is.
It never is with me.
You want to hold it for the camera and talk about the fight?
Talk about the fight. Solid fight.
How did it feel to watch your dad reel in that magical
That's
fish?
not even my dad, that's my grandfather.
Oh, okay.
It was nice seeing someone else catch a keeper.
It was nice.
I don't know.
You get tired of catching them, right?
Yeah.
I try not to assume he's been called my grandfather a few too many times.
Yeah.
Another shout out for AT&T. Guess what? You still suck. It's still bad.
How's the 5G?
Oh, the 5G is slow. It is slow. It feels like 1G out here, bro. We aren't even that far out. You can see land. It's over there. What's up with that? What's up with that? You really nailed it. Really nailed it. You can almost see like a telephone tower, cell tower thing from here, but it ain't doing nothing. So that's what I have to say about that.
Well, it is a flounder.
Flounder.
Hey, flounder. I want to put the flounder in my chowder. Can't keep it though. Too small.
That thing's cool.
Very cool though. Yeah, look at that. Look at those crazy eyes. Look at that.
I know you probably have the camera on. You're filming me on my phone, so I'm not gonna put this in the video.
Alright, so here we go. We're heading back in. Let's see, I don't remember. I caught a couple, Charlie caught a couple. Nothing was big enough to keep, but it was big enough to have fun reeling it in, so that's good. Beautiful night for it, as usual. And we'll try it again tomorrow. So come along for the ride. Alright, we'll see you then.